TalksOnTech, where we simplify technology one talk at a time. I'm your host, Digvijay, and today we have a very special guest joining us from Brazil, a respected engineer, a long-time developer, and someone who has made a strong impact in the Oracle Apex community. Today's guest is Anderson Ferreira, a computer engineer from Military Institute of Engineering and Oracle Apex professional with over 15 years of experience. He is a certified in Oracle Apex, Oracle SQL certified expert, HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and is also a Scrum Master. He has done his post graduation in information security from Fluminense Federal University. He has also done MBA in IT management from Candido Mendes University, and he has also an Oracle ACE Alumni recognized for his contribution to the global Oracle community. Anderson, welcome to Talks on Tech. It's an honor to have you with us.
Thank you very much, Digvijaysinh. It's a pleasure to be here. I'm really happy to have the opportunity to talk about Oracle Apex.
Perfect. So, Anderson, today we are going to discuss few things about your journey and everything. So, starting with that, you have been working with Oracle Apex for more than 15 years now. So, first question would be how did your journey with Apex begin, right? So, could you just explain on that one?
Okay. I started working with Oracle Apex in 2010, so more than 15 years. And when I joined the Brazilian Court of Accounts we call TCU, it's an acronym, TCU.
Right.
At that time, the organization already had a few applications developed in Apex, but I had the opportunity to help to expand its adoption. What surprised me was how quickly I could become productive because Apex is deeply integrated with SQL and pure SQL.
Right.
My first project was a big project, let's say big. It was an intern management system with more than 100 screens and more than 50 tables.
Right.
That project became my real school, where I learned a lot and showed me how powerful Apex was, and I could build a real enterprise application and learn a lot.
That sounds great.
That's my journey.
Fantastic.
I start my journey.
Exactly.
Okay.
Excellent. Now, actually, see, whenever people starting Oracle Apex, they are having lot of options available. So today we are also focusing on how they can start the journey with Oracle Apex. So now my next question. So why Apex becomes your main technology? Rather, what made you choose Apex as your primary development platform? And was it productivity, simplicity, any architecture, or the community?
Yeah, it was a mix of everything because Apex has everything you told: productivity, simplicity, architecture, and a community. And as I said, when I built my first large system in just a few weeks, it took a few weeks, without previous experience in Apex, I have never developed any Apex application. I realized that what the platform offered, the productivity, and I believe that with traditional stacks, it would be much more difficult to develop.
Correct.
Oracle Apex allowed me to build applications, enterprise applications, very fast without unnecessary architectural layers. And a factor that influenced a lot was the powerful community. Apex has an incredible and collaborative and supportive community that accelerates learning and innovations.
Exactly. Okay, fine. So next question is, it's based on the evolution of Apex. Now you have seen that Apex evolve over many versions. So what do you think has been the most important or transformative change so far as far as Apex is concerned?
Yeah, one of the most transformative moments for Apex was version 5.0 in 2015. Apex was always very productive, but in earlier versions did not always generate modern looking interface for end users. With Apex 5.0, Oracle the Oracle Apex team introduced the page designer, for example, and the universal theme for productivity and for the end users, universal theme. Yeah, the page designers improved the developer experience, and the universal theme made applications look more modern and professional for end users.
Perfect.
After that release, Apex continued evolved with strong improvements in integration, REST services, developer productivity, and a lot of features like AI capabilities.
Correct. There are a lot of improvements nowadays. Exactly.
Yeah.
Over a period of time, we have seen, lot of improvements, lot of, new versions as far as Apex is concerned from 2008, 9 to till date. It's amazing, fantastic features been added on by Oracle. Fine. Now let's going little bit deep. So for next question would be like, what makes Apex powerful? What do you think as an engineer? What core characteristics make Apex such a powerful platform, and we can consider as at the enterprise level, not at the small level, but at the enterprise level.
The real strength of Apex, but if it comes from the architecture, it runs directly inside the Oracle database, which is one of the most robust database platforms used in enterprise environments. This means the applications is exactly where the data is, because the Apex is in the database and the data is in the database. So we call this zero latency. And another thing I really like about the Apex is that the only thing the developer needs is the browser. We don't need any tools to start develop. You only need the browser. That's it. And from the governance perspective, Apex is also very strong because everything is stored in the inside the database as metadata, which is easy to query everything that's happening using the Apex views. And Apex is a combination of simplicity, productive, and enterprise robustness. That's what makes Apex so powerful.
Correct. So we have seen, a lot of people coming to Oracle Apex. They are start learning with Oracle Apex, and nowadays they are having a number of options to learn from. Now, what do you think that skills Apex developer should focus on, with your experience in SQL, Apex, HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, and Scrum? So what do you think, what technical skill should every serious Apex developer master today in this era?
Yeah, I usually say that the learning path is a start case. You need to go step by step. And Apex development is a start case. You first need to learn the platform, because if you want to be an Apex developer, you need to learn Apex. Yeah. And together with Apex is good to learn SQL, because Apex is highly integrated with SQL and PL/SQL. And finally, you need to learn web technologies, so you can go a step further. Mastering Apex is essential.
Correct. And now they also can focus on AI technology as well. Now 23 AI, after that, there are a lot of opportunity as far as Apex plus AI is concerned.
Yeah, for sure. Now AI is for everything, not only for development. AI is in everything. So for sure, AI it's another technology that we need to add in our stack.
Exactly. Further that, talked about the security aspects. Obviously, it's not feasible for us to, cover every aspect of the security. But, you have a specialization in information security. What, common security mistakes do the developers makes while they are building an application within Apex, and how, they can avoid such mistakes while they are implementing Apex applications?
Yeah, I love security. I started in a security company. So my first, when I was an intern, I worked in a security company. And I believe security is most about mindset. Apex is secured by default because Apex is a no-code platform, so it's secured by default. It uses bind variables and secure session management, which protects against many of the common vulnerabilities. But the most security problem that I see developers making is disable security properties without understanding what the impacts of that change.
Correct.
Another fundamental principle that's for security, not only for the Apex security, is never trust the client. Everything that's in the client in the browser, you can trust. You never trust that. So you always need to add server-side code validations and configure the authorization properly.
Correct.
Security must be part of the development culture from the beginning and until the end of the project. So it's a mindset, and you need to do in every steps of the project.
Exactly. It's a part of your development. It's not something that you are supposed to do at the end of the project, right?
Yeah,
Exactly.
right. Exactly.
Perfect. Now, actually, as a developer, obviously you have been working with a lot of project, or you have worked with a lot of project. But as a developer, I would like to know that which one is your favorite project, or let's say if you can share the Apex project that made something a significant impact and that is stand out as one of your favorite project that you have worked on.
Yeah, it's difficult to say because I work in a lot of projects, 100, let's say. I haven't counted, but for sure it's more than 100.
Oh,
I
that's
believe
great.
more than 200. Yeah, it's a lot of projects. One project that stands out for me is anti-corruption initiative that we call a prevenção in Portuguese. The system helps public organizations identify and prevent corruption risks in their process. It became a national reference for that, and now is being adopted in Latin American countries and other countries. Technically, it has some challenges because it's used by thousands of users at the same time, submitting a large amount of informations. And this project is recognized by Oracle Apex team as a success case. It's in their blogs and
Fantastic.
yeah, it's a success case for Oracle Apex. Yeah, nice to be part of this project.
Correct. Yes, that sounds fantastic actually.
Yeah.
As you know, currently I'm also serving as a director communication at India Oracle Apex User Group. So it's a community in India. So it's they are working, perfectly, and they are reaching to the end level wherever Apex developers are there. So I'm also a part of that ACE community from last almost 4-5 years. So I just wanted to ask you about the Apex adoption in Brazil, and overall how is Oracle Apex adoption is there in Brazil and Latin America. So do you have any interesting success stories from your region that you want to share with our viewers?
Yeah, in Brazil, Apex is growing significantly in the recent years. We have a very strong and active community. I'm one of the leaders of the community in Brazil. We have several Oracle ACE program from ACE program. I organize events. We organize events since 2015, but in Brazil we have events from before that. The technology evolves faster, and there's a strong community, as we have not only in Brazil, but for sure in India and a lot of countries, in USA, a lot of countries have a strong, worldwide strong community for Oracle Apex.
Correct.
And that collaboration helped Apex grow and all the developers grow.
Exactly. Now, as we also focus on those people who have never worked with Oracle Apex. In fact, in my region, I do a lot of trainings. I deliver a lot of sessions in universities and colleges, so that we can introduce Oracle Apex to the newbies. They have never worked with it. So my next question is for those people are I would say for those students or new developers, so they are just coming to Oracle Apex. So according to you, what would be the first step, or what advice would you like to give to the students or the beginners who just want to start learning Apex right away?
Yeah. As I said, if someone wants to start learning Apex, I recommend start with the Apex, the platform itself. Then SQL is very important, data modeling, and pure SQL, because Apex uses a lot. It's a data-driven platform, so we need to learn all these things related to data. Course, it's a good way to accelerate the learning process. But I believe the real projects are the things that the developer truly gain experience, because in the real life he learns
Correct.
he learns more.
Exactly.
When I started, I took a basic course and joined a large project. So that project experience, the course for sure, helped me a lot, because you understand the platform, but a real project, it's what makes you learn more, much more.
Correct. Exactly. So actually, it's for the students, they are supposed to start as early as possible. SQL, PL Apex would be the one of the best thing. Secondly, I also wanted to focus on certification, right? So if somebody is just starting that learning any SQL, PL or Oracle Apex, it's better they also focus on the certification. So while going through your profile, I've seen that you have multiple certifications. So according to you, which certification or learning path would you recommend to our new developers or the students?
Yeah, it's good to take courses because you need to learn. It's good to have practical experience, because that's what makes you different, because you go through all the process. Or making course that not only theoretical course that you learn practical situations. But certifications are valuable. It's important, especially for the beginners, because that's the way you prove to the people that hire that you are a good developer.
Exactly.
Because if you don't have experience, that's the only way they know you understand the technology.
Correct.
So I believe the certification help open doors for the developers.
Exactly. So actually nowadays, people have started, students basically they've started learning, Apex and whatever the new technology is coming up with them. So as far as students community is concerned, anything which is heavily adopted by industry, that is definitely a new thing for them, because that is not a part of curriculum. But by the time currently, in within Apex, AI is also coming up. So Apex, I would say, is becoming more integrated with AI, especially with the new Oracle Cloud AI services. So how do you see this AI transforming Apex application and development?
Yeah, AI is transforming the world. For sure, it's going to transform Apex. AI can help developers to generate SQL, help with coding, accelerate development. And for end users, it can enable features, a lot of features like chatbots, improve the analysis of the data, intelligence insights from data. But developers still need to validate what the AI produce. Yeah, we developers, we don't. I see some developers generating SQLs and injecting that SQL without reading what AI generated. So I believe that AI will not replace developers. It will amplify good developers and make them dramatically more productive.
Exactly. So there is a kind of thing going on to those newbies or 1 to 2 years of experience people, that AI came and the jobs would not be there likewise. So yeah, definitely they need to learn it. Obviously, there is no option is there, but definitely that will take them to the next stage.
Yeah.
So now, a little bit different question, like, in your opinion, so, where do you see Apex 5 years from now, let's say we are sitting in 2026. So after 5 years, what do you where you see this Oracle Apex?
Yeah, in the next 5 years, I believe Apex will continue evolving as a local platform with deeper integration with AI for sure, because AI is the future.
Exactly.
Building applications will become more faster, more intelligent. And in countries like Brazil, we are continue using a lot, because especially in public sector, because we don't have cost for license costs for Apex. Apex is free. It's a no cost feature.
Correct.
So that's the future of Apex. I believe it's going to continue increasing.
Fantastic. Because nowadays we have seen that a lot of people are, started, registering for the user groups. They are volunteering at the user groups. They attend a lot of events. They connect with the PM teams. They get updates from the Oracle, webinars or whatever the session they are conducting. Now, next part, let's do some rapid fire round. Like I'll ask you quick questions. I just want a one line or one word answer from you. So first is what is the best feature of Apex you've used or you think?
Yeah, I love dynamic action.
Oh, fantastic!
We can do
Same here.
best.
We
Yeah.
can rectify a lot of things with that one. Perfect. SQL or PSQL?
Bell SQL for sure, because you can do everything in Apex is
Exactly.
Bell SQL.
There is some sort of limitation as far as SQL is concerned, but PSQL we can do,
Yeah.
a lot of stuffs. Yeah. Classic report or IR, interactive report?
Yeah, track report. I don't know why they have classic report yet.
Customization can be, a lot of, right? Okay.
Yeah.
As far as Apex page is concerned, which one would you like to have, dark mode or light mode?
I use dark mode.
Okay.
My eyes appreciate it a lot.
Here we are different. I like light mode better because I like to be in a light mode rather than a dark mode. It looks like something different. Okay, low code or a pro code?
Yeah, I believe low code done by pro developers is
Correct.
the best approach.
Exactly, perfect line. Okay,
That's a
one word.
full-
Okay, yeah. One word you can describe Apex.
Amazing.
Oh, fantastic. Same here. Actually, I've started working with Apex in 2009-10 around, and at that time that, screen was very basic and so, but over a bit of time after this HTML5 and then that new features or, that new entire theme is come, then everything changed. Now, if we build an application that can be run on any devices irrespective of the platform that we are, having. Okay, fantastic. It's, amazing experience with you, Anderson. So thank you so much for sharing your experience, your insights and your journey with us. It was a pleasure having you on TalksOnTech. We wish you continued success and we look forward to seeing more of your contribution to the Oracle Apex community. Thank you so much.